how you getting beats. Keep it in motion, ready to go. Flow like the ocean, stay in the flow. She wanna ride me and drive the boat.
What's good, MK gang? It's your boy Mozzie.
It's your girl Catherine.
And we back with another banger. And today,
we're
coming at y'all with a snow vlog. So as y'all can see, we have the biggest snowstorm of our lives. Like, we've literally never seen something bigger than this.
I have.
No, you haven't. This is the first time. We're gonna let y'all see this snowstorm, because this is crazy. The snow is past the mailbox in the street. This is ridiculous. We walked outside and we couldn't go outside. So today we're gonna be digging my car up. As you can see, she's already working out there.
Look at Gracie.
Did you put the time lapse on?
No.
Where's your phone?
Inside. Cause I don't know where we're gonna put it. Look at Mickey. Look at him slipping on the window.
Alright, y'all. So y'all gonna see our journey of
you can put it there.
Inside?
Yeah, I think. If it works.
She has already gotten the front of my car out. Urgent. This is crazy. There's smoke in my grill.
So don't throw it in my boots.
My fault.
It's not how you shovel. You don't like if I did this?
You said, oh.
I don't think we're getting anywhere here.
How? We need a rainy day, bro.
And I hate rainy days, but now I'm really asking for one. But then the snow would be icy.
Fuck it,
that
bro.
would be worse.
We need the snow to be gone, okay?
This is how it is in the North Pole. Give us some Christmas spirit.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Uh-oh. I almost fell in the snow.
You're just launching it back there.
I think she got some of the side off. I can even get over there. I know you were not trying to throw that shit on me, bro.
It's cold.
My hands are so warm.
Dead ass.
Yeah, I'm not touching the snow with my hands. The only thing freezing right now are my toes and my ears.
Wait, why are you still doing the pathway? I thought we was doing a car.
We are.
How?
I'm trying to get over there.
Babe, there's a pathway. I just made it.
Actually, it just got destroyed because this snow keeps falling on me.
What'd you say, babe?
Heading over there now. If you don't hear me in 5 seconds, it's because I drowned in this. Ah! Look.
Hello?
Look.
I can't see you.
In the window. I left my shovel behind.
What?
And now I can't get it. Don't throw that over here.
Get your shovel, man.
I'm trying. I'm full of snow. Hey there.
Hey, babe. I don't know how I'm this high.
You're gonna go down if you don't stop. Sir!
Oh, sir, got it.
There is snow down my back now.
Okay. Sir, got it.
No! I did.
Yeah, you move like virtual.
Babe. Get down. Get down. It's getting in my way.
Alright, y'all, so as you can see, we successfully got the car out of the snow. We've been trying for 60 minutes. And as you can see, you can finally see the car. I think she's stuck, but it has nothing to do with me. I'm going inside. As you can see, I got the all white phasers on. Babe, let's go.
We're leaving?
Yes.
Why?
What do you mean? The car's out of the snow.
I can't.
Take you back up. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we just got inside from hell, basically. You know what I'm saying? How was that, babe?
Hell.
That was her idea, you know? I said if we're gonna do it, we might as well film it and vlog. But you know what I'm saying? It was worse. Like, every time you go onto the snow, it's worse than you think it's gonna be. You feel me? It's worse than you think it's gonna be. What you doing? You about to mop?
Yeah, the wet stuff.
Oh, the snow?
Yeah. Not the snow outside.
I'm about to make me some Lucky Charms. Why would you be mopping the snow outside? I wonder how watching this feels for somebody that lives in like Florida or something, or Texas, and they go outside and they see straight sun. We go outside and we see Santa's tombstone. This is why is this doing this? I'm gonna go throw our clothes in the dryer. Dirt. No. While you shovel. I mean, while you mop. You finished mopping already? Oh, this is really crazy outside though, y'all. Like, I don't think I understand how crazy this is. Hold on, I'm about to hold on. But yeah, that was us. You know what I'm saying? Shoveling, I guess. What would you call that?
I guess it's crazy.
We were emptying the snow off of our car. But a couple days ago, y'all said y'all wanted to see some vlogs, so we decided that we will wake up and vlog for y'all, you know what I'm saying, shoveling. So, if you guys enjoyed this video,
Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
we out of here.
Girl, you looking good. I want you today.